Hello everybody. I hope this Monday finds you in good spirits or as good as possible with the things that are happening right now. We've had lots and lots of fires in the west. It seems like it's never going to end, and then we've had the storms in the east along the coast, so our coastal areas in America are both having a hard time. And it's on my screen and in my heart. But one of the ways that I cope with some of the stress that we're having, and the stress in my own life too, is painting. Painting really does help relax you. And so I'm going to go ahead and share this painting that I'm working on right now. This is another canvas, and it's very relaxing to work on a big project like this. It does take time. This does take more skill than some of the DIYs that I was showing you. The smaller canvas DIYs don't take this much detail. Now this kind of picture, the detail in the leaves, these are painted with a sharp brush. And it does take a while to paint each individual leaf, so you have to be patient enough to want to do that. When I used to paint this way in my high school art class, which is all I ever had, I never went to art school beyond that, it used to drive my teacher crazy because she was afraid that I wasn't going to get my project done before she wanted to present it to art exhibitions. She would take our artwork and display it in the city. So these do take time, and I have not had an easy time with this canvas. This is from Hobby Lobby, and I was expecting it to be superior to the Walmart canvas, but it feels like sandpaper when you touch it. And I guess I need to go online and see if I can get a little bit more information about canvas, or call some of the companies and see what they say. But this canvas being so rough, it really was difficult to paint the detail the way that I wanted it to be done. I was surprised I got as far as I did with it, because I was considering just stopping and getting another canvas. So I don't know, what to do with this kind of canvas. Now the ones from Walmart were very smooth in the feeling of them, and then if you paint a background the way I always do, with the watery wash of the paint on the background, it made it even more smooth. But there was no such thing on this canvas, so if I'm going to do more detailed work, I need to find out whether there's a coating that I can put on it. Water did not help, because the water just made the paint spread, and you don't want that for detail when you're working on canvas. So I guess it's just going to take time, since I've never painted on canvas before, and see what I can find, and see if that I can't find some canvas that will be easier to paint on. This painting actually isn't even finished yet. I have more detail that I want to do around the roots of this tree and around this shrub. And I'll just come back to it, but it's getting kind of late in fall here, and I don't want to wait too long to show my fall artwork and the vignettes, because it's only a few more weeks and everybody's going to be decorating for Christmas. So I thought I'd show this to you today. And oh, I forgot, I was going to show you my brushes too. One thing that helps with this kind of painting in detail is you can buy brushes for specific things. You know, like this set of brushes, they're not all in this set. These came from Hobby Lobby. This is Royal and Langnickel brand, and for $5.99 I got a set of brushes. They're not all in here. I think there are 2 that are out of this package. And it shows you a chart on the back, and it shows you how you can actually use the brush. I definitely took advantage of the brush that showed you how to make leaves. I'll point to it, leaves and flowers. You can see where my finger is pointing to this one right here. That really made a big difference. I was able to make these leaves, this shrub under the tree, with that brush. And also the set contains very, very tiny pinpoint brushes that you can do a lot of tiny detail with. But as I said, this canvas being so rough, it still wasn't easy, so the size of the brush wasn't everything. But we'll see what we can find. Okay, thank you for watching this video today, and I hope that the rest of the week is good. Goodbye for now.